Welcome back to the King's Queen, where I teach you how to master your hustle. Happy New Year, you guys. We have now entered 2024, and I don't know about you, but money is definitely on my mind. I have been engrossed in a lot of Facebook groups lately, and the mindset is definitely on money. Weight loss and all those other typical resolutions are taking a back seat this year. It's all about money. From day one, it's all about money, and I am feeling so good about the possibilities and capabilities that AI is affording us all. And I'm not going to ramble, I'm just going to say I hope you all had a Merry Christmas, and I hope you all have a wonderful, productive, abundant 2024. But let's get into the topic at hand. We are going to be talking about prompting today. Prompting to generate images. And I'm going to show you on ChatGPT 3.5 how to get your prompts. I do have ChatGPT 4 now and DAL-E, and oh my god, it's amazing. But I am going to show you on the standard ChatGPT 3.5 how you can get these prompts and take them to whatever generator you please and come up with some great artwork so that you can sell the art, or you can even build a prompt guide selling your prompts to people who don't know how to prompt. So let's get started with that. And I'm on ChatGPT, and I'm going to go down here, and it's all about brainstorming for me. I can take a subject, I can be sitting here watching TV, and it'll make me think of something. So, like right now, the volume is off, but there's a little girl on the TV. So I am going to say, give me a list of fun things little girls can do in the winter. Simple as that. And you see, it's feeding me a long list. I should have told it give me 5, because it will go on and on and on. So I'm going to stop it, and I'm going to go back up and see what it is telling me. Okay, you can build a snowman, you can go sledding, ice skating, make snow angels, hot cocoa, and movie night. Now, I'm going to take this list. I don't even have to read everything. And I'm going to tell it to give me a prompt to generate images. I'm just going to say images. Images or illustrations. I'm going to say illustrations. Illustrations using this list. Each prompt should give a full description of clothing, hair, and setting. And I'm just going to keep it that simple. Okay, now we're going to see building a snowman. Illustrate a scene where a little girl, Emily, is wearing a bright red winter coat with a furry hood, matching mittens, and boots. She has rosy cheeks and a big smile as she rolls a giant snowball in a snowy backyard with a snow-covered house and trees in the backyard. And that, my friends, is as simple and quick and easy as this thing gets. Now, if you want to tweak it and include her race or certain colors that you want incorporated in this prompt, add that also. But that is it. You take a subject, Well, I take a subject and I ask for a list. And then after I get that list, I ask it to create prompts using this list, giving full descriptions of the clothing, their hair type, the scene that they're in. You can even tell it to describe the actions that they're doing with great detail. And I'm going to show you what the images will look like when you do this. So I'm going to take this prompt 1. I'm going to take the whole thing, and I'm going to go to a GPT that I built. Yes, myself, I built this prompt. It's called Airbrushed Art. So I can put this prompt in here, and it will generate art in the certain style that I like. And if you all would like for me to show you how to build a GPT like I did on this one, let me know and I will do a video on that. But we're going to see what it's going to generate. Hopefully it's going to give me what I want, because the prompt, it does not say she's African American in the prompt, but this GPT, I specifically built it to produce African American people. And let's see. I think she's African American. Yes, she is. And she's cute. And she's out here building her little snowman. It's in the artistic form that I love to generate my images in. She has beautiful hair. She's got the rosy cheeks. She's got the cute little smile. This would be adorable on a card. This is adorable. And like I said, this is as easy as it gets. This is so simple, and we can monetize this image in so many different ways. Like I said, a Christmas card, you could maybe pull her from the image with the snowman and put it on the bottom of some stationery that you create. You can put this on a t-shirt design. So many things we can do with this art. And it's all about the right wording. And if you don't know what words to use, let ChatGPT do it for you. It is so simple. So simple. You have to take this is hard, I don't know how, out of it. You don't know what you do know until you just sit down and try. If you have a question, ask ChatGPT. That's what it's here for. This is a tool that has taken the guesswork out of everything that we do. And I don't want to say it like this, but I'm going to say it like this. It has dumbed everything down for us. And we have to take advantage of this, because as easy as this is, the way our economy is, everybody is so greedy. This could be snatched from us, or given so much of a high paywall that we can't afford it. So while we can do this the way that we're doing it now, take full advantage of it. Do not let another day go by saying, I don't know how, I can't. Yes, you can. You really can. I believe in you. And there are so many other people like myself who teach and I guess you could say mentor people who are trying to dive into this world. We know you can do it. All you have to do is sit down, jump into it. Do it scared. Do it scared. It's okay to do it scared. Every choice that I make when it comes to this business, I somewhat know what I'm doing now, but there's still that fear that pushes me. We need that fear. We need something to make us go there, make us go past where we think we can go. But I can go on and on and on. I just wanted to show you all how I prompt. And I'm going to go back. Just to show you all. I'm going to get another prompt. Okay, we have this one that says snowball fight fun. And I think I'm going to do a different list just to show you all, just to break it down a different way. I'm going to copy this one and I'm going to go back to my GPT. and I'm going to see what it gives me. Then I'm going to create a different list for you all. I just want to show you all that, like I said, building a GPT to specifically give you what you want every time, it makes things so much easier. Than I don't have to type in every single time. I want this type of art. I want it to look like this. I want the people to look like this. I want the hair to look like this. I don't have to do that anymore because I put it in the back end of this GPT and it gives me what I want. Okay, these kids are all African American cuties and they are having fun out in the snow. They're all dressed for winter. They've got their hats and jackets on and boots, and they are having the time of their lives out here in the snow. And this is adorable. But now I'm going to go back and create another list. Let's see. I'm going to take myself. I'm a mom. So give me a list of things moms do in a day. And there you go. I'm going to stop it because it'll go on and on and on and on. And now I'm going to take that, what I told it earlier. Let me go back and see what exactly I said. If you don't remember, give me a prompt, give me a prompt to generate illustrations using the list. Each prompt should give a full description of clothing, hair, and setting. I'm going to copy this part and I'm going to paste it here, and I wanted to do it all over again with the list it just generated for me. Okay, making breakfast. Illustrate a mom named Sarah wearing a cozy robe and slippers, her hair in a messy bun. She's setting a breakfast table with cereal boxes, milk, and fresh fruit. Sunlight streams through the kitchen window, casting a warm glow on the scene. I'm going to take this prompt, copy it, and I'm going to take it back over here to my GPT. I'm going to paste it here, and now I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to go in and make a couple changes. She's wearing a cozy robe and slippers. Her hair is in a messy bun. I'm going to say her hair is long and wavy. It is the color burgundy. She's setting a breakfast table with cereal boxes, milk, and fresh fruit. Sunlight streams through the kitchen window. And I'm also going to say her handsome husband is grabbing a piece of fruit and a piece of fruit before leaving for work. Let's see what that does. Sometimes this is a quick process, sometimes it takes a while. But here we go. Let's see what we got. beautiful lady fixing some cereal. We got the fruit. She is beautiful. And hubby. Okay, I said grab some fruit. He's looks like he's getting some cereal. But nevertheless, this is a wonderful image. I'm going to show you one more little secret. Click on your picture. Click on this eye in the corner. And this is where you get your prompt. You can take this prompt, paste it back in the box and come up with another image. You could take this prompt and put it on a document to build a prompt guide for customers. And I'm going to read it. It says, African American woman named Sarah wearing a cozy robe and slippers with long wavy burgundy hair is setting a breakfast table. The table has cereal boxes, milk, and fresh fruit. Sunlight shines through the kitchen window, casting a warm glow on the scene. The illustration captures a peaceful, warm morning atmosphere in a family kitchen. See, I didn't even tell it that wasn't in the original prompt, but it adds to the prompt to give you a little bit more detail, give you a better image. This is so simple. Like I said, don't make it hard. Do it scared, but don't make it hard. Don't let your fear stop you from making the money that's out here for us. I'm getting my piece of it, and I want you all to do the same. Go out here, create, learn. Never stop learning. I read an article this morning on a different way to monetize AI art, and I'm going to dig into it. I'm not going to say what it is yet, because it's something that I never would have thought about. But I'm going to do my research on this, and I'm going to learn all I can. And as soon as I do what I'm going to do, if I decide to, I'm going to let you all in on the secret. If you're in some of the groups that I'm in, you probably know what I'm talking about. But oh my God, AI is something serious, and I am so here for it. I hope you all join up with all of us motivated mamas who are out here trying to do it big for our kids. 2024, let's make it an unbelievable year. I'm not going to ramble anymore. I'm going to let you all go, but have a wonderful day. Talk to me down in the comments. I promise I'll talk back. Be blessed.